Welcome back, you gorgeous and beautiful people from the internet. My name is Manzi Crypto. Today we're going to continue on again with BEEFY over here. We're going to invest $50 every single time that we make a video. And until we eventually get this number right here, 103 games to be finished. So we want at least $500 there. Every 10 games, I'm going to donate $50 here. And it's just so that, you know, I can have a retirement fund for eventually, if that makes sense. And then it can just compound and build on itself. So yeah, so we have three parts prior to this. We invested twice into Bitcoin BNB and once into ETH BNB. Then we can actually see the distribution over here. So we have 4% in ETH, which is extremely terrible, and about 40% in Bitcoin and 55% in BNB. BNB should be by far the highest over here. And the reason being is because all pairs will be on BNB until we eventually get into USDT. But I'll do that way later, guys. Like at the moment, I feel like crypto is just going to have a big boom for the next 2 years. It's not a good idea, in my opinion, to be in stable coins right now. It will be better to do it within the next 2 years, like after 2 years. But I'll talk about that eventually. For now, let us just get more into this. I want to increase my daily yields by investing a little bit more. We'll get $50 more in here. I'm going to click on the ETH BNB over here. Actually, we have to go back to vaults. So ETH BNB over here. You can see we invested not exactly $50 there. So, but I'm not going to make it more than 50 because the previous one we invested almost $1 more than we should have. You know, as long as we're close to as we possibly can to $50. Then all will be fine, in my opinion. So this is close. Let's just see here. That is close enough. I'm going to just take that. We'll deposit, and we'll just do the Zap and stuff, whatever we need. An error occurred while building the Zap transaction. Okay. So let's just refresh, I guess. You can see the APY falling like a rock, which is insane. But it's okay. It doesn't really matter too much. We'll get back into BNB. Get as close to $50 as we can. That's as close as we can get. Click on Zap again. Hopefully it doesn't crash now. There we go. Give me a second. And there we go. Investment already happened. Getting as close to as $50 as we possibly can. I don't know why it says it's still pending, dude. The money is already inside. You can see the graph went up like crazy here. And there we go. It's in now. So now we should have $200 invested, or as close to as we possibly can. We're getting 21 cents estimated daily. And our ETH is still like an extremely small portion here. I don't know how we're going to fix that though. I want it to be like, I don't know, 50% BNB, then 25 Bitcoin, 25 ETH. But I don't think it's going to be that specific. It might, like, these numbers will change a lot because it's liquidity, right? It's not really a stable investment. Let's just refresh this page. It's not really a stable investment because it's liquidity. And even if it was a stable investment, obviously the price difference will go up and down, and the scale will go out of proportion eventually. So it's just how it is. It still says $50 here. So yeah, but you can see we're down 6 cents in total, even including our yield, which is 17 cents, which is crazy. We're still down 6 cents. So, but the APY is 53% still, which is pretty good. But yeah, man, I don't know. Like, I'm a big fan of this. I think it's going to be a great retirement fund that we'll do once a month. It's just I need to catch up to that point, which will just take a little bit. I refreshed again. It still doesn't show the $50 added. It does show up here though, so that's all that matters. It is in the wallet. It will just take a minute for BEEFY to calculate it and show it up at your vault section. But I think these two pools, the only two ones, will be in for a very long time. To be honest, there's nothing better you can get than the top 3 projects, and the APY is pretty good, so there's no need to like do other projects in my opinion. At least for now. When the time is right, we might dab into something else. But for now, I think this is a great place to be in. So yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new. And I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Love you guys, take care, and as always, remember to twist some nips. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.